Today is the 17th of May, and it is the day that my Appa had completed his mission on this planet. When I recall my beloved Appa, I recall a regal man who stood in his own sovereignty, integrity, truth, and power. I recall two stories that I wish to honor him with today. The first story goes like this. When I was about 5 years of age, my Appa, being a Roman Catholic missionary by roots, married my mother, who was Shaivite by roots, gave me the Thevaram and said to me, I want you to grow up like a tree. Root yourself in your scripture, but let your branches embrace all cultures of the world, for all people of the world are very beautiful. He added, the African people are very connected to a higher power through their ancestral and elemental worship. How wonderful this world would be if all parents inculcated an inclusive ideology in their children. Since I was already attending the church sermons on Sundays, my Appa ensured that we read our Thevaram scriptures as well. As a child being exposed to Shaivism and Christianity, my perception of everyone around me was that God exists in everyone and everything. The second story reveals a great soul, an ascended master, who was born well before his time, a visionary who was all-embracing and who loved and served his community selflessly. My Appa qualified as a homeopathic doctor at the Nellikapam College in South India with distinctions in physics and chemistry. He researched wheezing and relieved many young children. I want to share this formula with you in honor of my beloved Appa today. The ingredients are as follows: 2 bunches of thyme, 200 grams of grated ginger, 2 tablespoons of raw honey, and 2 tablespoons of mellowwood brandy to preserve this solution. Method: bring 2 cups of water to a boil and then add the thyme and ginger. Reduce the thyme and ginger solution to half a cup. When the solution is cold, add the raw honey and mellowwood brandy to preserve the solution. 1 teaspoon of this solution is safe to give to children who wheeze, even if they are just over 6 months old. This solution may be kept in the fridge and no other preservative should be added. My Appa maintained that artificial preservatives in foods aggravated wheezing in children. It is an effective herbal home remedy. This solution has been approved by the Medicines Control Council as a herbal home remedy. My Appa would have wanted the world to benefit from his research, so I wish you great health, wealth, and infinite blessings on behalf of my beloved Appa. Thank you, Appa. I love you, Appa. Om Namah Shivaya.